Alright, so today's lesson is 10.3, areas of parallelogram. So area is the number of unit squares needed to cover an area. So when you're talking about area, we're talking about inside the parallelogram. Okay, so it means how many of these little squares can we fit inside this parallelogram. Okay, so base is the length and the height is top to bottom measured at the right angle. So an example of this would be right here. It makes a right angle, so you use that as the height, not the diagonal. The diagonal is not the height. And here we've made it straight up and down line, so this tells us the height is 5 inches. Anything that is vertical, straight up and down, you use as height, not the diagonal. So here is two formulas that you will need to know. Area of a parallelogram is A, which stands for area, is equal to B times H, or A is equal to BH. And then area of a rectangle is area is equal to length times width, or area equals LW. Okay, it really doesn't matter which one you use. You can use this one or this one. I would prefer you to use this one at all times. Okay, area equals BH. This is the one that you guys probably learned when you were in elementary school. So let's look at number 1. First of all, you always write the formula. So formula is area is equal to BH, base times height. The base is the one that goes straight across, that's the length. So right, area is equal to 12 times the height. Now you got to decide, do you use a 7 or do you use the 9? Remember, the height is always anything that makes a right angle. So you use the 9, not the 7. So area is equal to 108. Okay, don't forget your units, centimeters. Here's the thing, area, you always have to write centimeters squared. Don't forget that square, because if you just write 108 centimeters, it might be perimeter that you're talking about, or another unit. But area, you always put that square. Let's try number 2 on your own. When you're ready, go ahead and push play. So hopefully you knew that to use the formula A is equal to BH. A is equal to, the base is 5, the height is 2, so A is equal to 10 millimeters. Now if you had just written 10 millimeters, I can tell you, you would have gotten half point off because you forgot the square. So don't forget that square. Okay, now look at number 3 and 4. 3 and 4, you're working backwards. Okay, so same formula. A is equal to BH. Now they give you what A is. A is equal to 144. So you write 144 is equal to, they give you the base of 36 and H. Now how do we get H by itself? A number next to a variable means multiplication. The inverse of multiplication is, hopefully you said division, so you're going to divide by 36 on both sides. Okay, so the 36 cancel out. Now you say 144 divided by 36. Let's try 4. This would be 24, 12, 13. So H is equal to 4, and you have to write centimeters. Don't write centimeters square because that would be the area. Use just 4 centimeters for the height. Okay, try number 4 on your own, and when you're ready, go ahead and push play. Hopefully you knew to write the formula. A is equal to BH. They give you what A is, so it'd be 154 is equal to, the base is 2, the height we don't know. Divide by 2, and H is equal to 77, and the unit is inches, not inches squared, because we're just finding the height, not the area.